Hey, just quiet. Welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So today's episode, we got this cool image right here, and basically what this is a Stylus pencil that's very similar to like an Apple pencil. If you see, this is what the product looks like when you guys do get it. If you see the back of the package, they provide guys a bunch of specs and features that's on the actual product. So everything on here is very similar to the Apple pencil for a much more affordable price. But I'm just opening it up to show you guys what the inside looks like first. So first thing you see inside right here, they provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to use it. And then once you guys take this part out, this is what the inside looks like. So they provide guys the tips right here, the charging cable, and the actual pencil or the stylus right here. So let's take it all out first. So the cable that you'll be using to recharge it is a USB to USB-C cable. And right here we do have the stylus pencil. If you see on the top part, that is where to plug in the cable to recharge it. And they do have a little indicator light to show you guys when it's charging. And then on the bottom part here, we do have the pointy or the stylus option that's replaceable with the two other tips that they provide you guys if you guys do need to replace it. And like they mentioned for the product, it is magnetic. So if you guys want to stick it on top of the actual iPad, you can do that as well. So I will show you guys how to use that in a second. But let's plug in the cable to show you guys how to charge it first. So if you guys plug in the cable, once you guys plug in the cable, you can see there's a red indicator light that pops on. So that is how you guys know when it's charging. And then once it's fully charged, I believe the light should turn off or change a different color. And on one full charge, the product can give you guys 10 hours of usage. And they do mention on the product actually has a quick charging option. So after 1 minute of charge, it can give you guys 20 minutes of usage, which is kind of cool. And if you guys notice, the one that we got right here is a white color, but they do have this available in other colors as well. So if you guys want a different color, you guys can definitely do your own research to see which one you prefer. So that is everything that's on the product. Let me actually go test it out to see how it works first. So right here, I do have my iPad. Let's test out the magnetic option first. So let's take out the case from my iPad first. Because with the case on, I won't be able to show you guys whether or not the magnetic option works. Alright, so we got the case off. If you guys test it out. Alright, so you see it definitely does work. If you guys try to shake it off, it doesn't come off. So it actually has a really strong magnetic option on here. And the way how you guys turn on the product is actually very simple. So the way how you guys turn it on and off is by double tapping on top. So that turns it on. If you guys double tap it again, that turns it off. And also when you guys feel the overall weight of the pencil, it feels super lightweight. But now let me just test it out to show you guys how it works. So once you guys turn the iPad, if you guys start to use it, if you see, it definitely does work. So my penmanship is not good at all, but if you can see when you guys actually use it, it definitely does work. So if you guys want to use it for like writing stuff, or editing stuff, or just for painting stuff like creating art or something, you can definitely use it how you guys want to. And it's really cool how I should give you guys a magnetic option on here, so when you guys are done using it, you can just put it on the side just like that. Really easy. But if you see, the product definitely does work when you guys use it. So you see for the Stylus pencil, it actually fits perfectly for the case that I have right here. If you guys stick it in, you can see it definitely does work. It actually fits on here perfectly. But that is everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product, now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are trying to look for a high quality stylus pencil, then use for like your iPad, iPad Air, iPad Pro, or etc. Where it has like a similar benefits as like the Apple pencil, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or having one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys, so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.